I have recently purchased the Coca-Cola and Morphe Cherry Coke Cheerfully Cherry Artistry palette. Whew, that is a lot of words. This is their new eyeshadow palette, and it looked so pretty on the Sephora website that I had to purchase it. But wait, no, I did not just buy the eyeshadow palette. I also went and got the beauty sponges. So they also came up with not just the eyeshadow, but beauty sponges and lip glosses. I didn't get the lip glosses though, because I'm never really gonna use them. But I got the beauty sponges because you can never have enough beauty sponges, or I could never have enough beauty sponges. And I will show you what they look like one by one. Don't worry, there's only 3, so it won't take too long. First one, just a regular beauty sponge. It's got, you know, the sharp edge here, which I love because it really gets into the crevices. Love it. Second one is a tiny little bebe one, like the regular size one, but tiny. And it also has the edge, so this one's really great as well. Love it. Just so glad with this purchase. And then the last one, La pièce de résistance. Are you ready for this? Look at this guy. How freaking cute is he? Like, come on. So this side feels like a regular beauty sponge. This side though feels a bit more fuzzy. I don't know, I would use this side for powder application. Like, it just has that feel to it. Like, I don't know what to compare it to because the words are not coming to my mind right now, but it feels a bit fuzzier. This feels more smooth. And then this feels like it would really grab onto powder well. So if you want to use it to like bake, I think this would work gloriously. So the 3 beauty sponges retail for $21 for these 3 guys. And the palette retails for $34. And these are Canadian dollars I'm using. So this is $34. It comes in 18 different shades. That'll cherry you up. Huh? I'm not that clever, but come on. So I already put my foundation on, my concealer, my bronzer, my blush. I did my eyebrows and I set everything with setting powder. Will I regret this decision if there is any fallout from the eyeshadow palette? Absolutely. But if this is Morphe's usual formulation, I should not have an issue because generally their eyeshadows are pretty good and there is not a lot of fallout. So I thought, what better way to test it than to really commit to an entire face of makeup and then put on the eyeshadow. Might be a mistake. We'll find out. So let's get into it. This is what the actual palette looks like. It comes in this tin container that holds the eyeshadows. I think it's super cute, so love the packaging. Now, when we go in and look at the eyeshadows, right off the bat, I'm really loving the balance between shimmers and mattes. I always have a hard time getting palettes that have a good balance, so I think this is a really good balance of that. Not only that, but you can go on this side and go for a more neutral daytime look to an evening look that's more glammed up over here. So I really, really love that. I don't know what look I'll be trying out today, but I'm really excited to try this palette. I think the colors are really, really beautiful. They're supposed to be super pigmented, so let's see. I think I'll start with this one over here. And I will take a fluffy brush. And this is a MAC 217. So I'll just dip into this, tap some off, and let's go. And I'll just put it right in the crease. Holy crap, that is pigmented. Oh, brother. Okay, that's nice. I love when an eyeshadow claims that it's pigmented and then it actually is. So now for the outer corner of my eye, I'm going to take this MAC brush, and this is a 219 brush. And I think I will go in with this color, where is it? This color right here. So I'll dip a little bit of that in. Look how pigmented that is. Whoo, that picked up a lot of color. So I am just, you know what? I think I'll use the mirror that it comes with. So I will just put this in the corner here and bring it down. Look at that. That is a lot of color that it picks up. Really super pigmented. So now I'm gonna go back in with my MAC 217 brush and just blend this out. And blend it out. Next, I'm going to take this color right here and I'm going to add that on the end here. Dab off the excess, and literally I am putting it just here. I will blend everything together, but I just want to layer the colors first just to see how they look next to each other. Just stay with me. I have a plan. Hopefully it'll look good. So the next color that I'm going to put in the middle of my eye is this one right here. I'm just literally going to put that in the middle of my lid and just bring it in a little bit into the other shimmery eyeshadow. And once I'm done layering all these colors and blending them out, we'll check for fallout. And now for the inner corner, I'm going to use this pink right here. So now I'm going to take my MAC 217 brush and I am just going to take that into my crease and just blend everything out. A little more. So now I'm going to take my MAC 219 brush and dip it into this dark, really dark purple. And put this on my outer corner. And then I'm going to take my MAC 217 and blend it out. And then I'll just apply a little bit more of that pink on my inner corner. And then I'll just dip into this light champagne color for my inner corner just to give it a bit more of a pop. There we go. I'm going to take this little flat brush and dip into that white color. You can see it's quite crumbly, but once you dab off the excess, it seems to be fine. And I will just put this white shadow under my brow. And now I just want to put a little bit of brightness in my inner corner. So I'll take this champagne looking color again and I will just pop that on my inner corner here. And now I just want to put a little bit of shadow under my waterline, on my under my lower lash line. And what I will use is, this is the Airbrush Shadow Brush from Sephora. And I will take this and take this color down here. Oh, there we go. And I'll apply this under my lower lashes. And I'll bring it 3/4 of the way in. And it just kind of brings the look together. And then lastly, for an eyeliner, I don't want to do like a black eyeliner. So what I'll do is I want to take this dark purple color and use it as a little bit of an eyeliner. And I will take this angled brush and let's go to work. So this is one eye. Let's put some mascara on it. I'll do the other eye and then we can finish it off. But before I finish, I just wanted to show there is literally no fallout. You did me proud, Morphe. You did me proud. Like, no fallout whatsoever. Okay, so mascara. Go in with primer first, and then I have two different types of mascaras that I use. I always like to do multiple mascaras. So I have the Lancome Hypnose, which will go first, and then the Super Fan Smashbox mascara that will go last. Okay, so first we'll start with primer. So first I'll use the Hypnose mascara. So that is just with the Lancome mascara. Now I will go in with the Smashbox Super Fan mascara just to kind of separate the lashes a little more. So this is with both of the mascaras on. And to complete the look, I could either go with a black eyeliner on my lower waterline or a nude one. So I think I will go in with a nude one. Because the look is so like intense, I just wanted to add like a bit of lightness to it. So I will go in with a nude eyeliner. So for the lips, I don't like doing something super bold just because I have a really bold eye look on right now. So I will go in with a pencil from MAC, and this is the Staunchly Stylish, and it's more of like a nude color. And I'll outline with this. And then I'll go in with MAC Creme Cup, which is also a nude. So this is the final look. I decided to go for a bolder eye just because the colors in the palette looked like a lot of fun, so I wanted to do something a bit bolder. As far as the actual shadows themselves, very true to Morphe's usual eyeshadow formulation. Their shadows are very soft and almost creamy like in texture. They're very blendable and very pigmented. So even though they're very pigmented, they're still very blendable. Couple of things I would say is, number one, make sure you use a very light hand when applying the shadows. You can always build on the intensity of the color and, you know, really work that in and build it up to the intensity you want. So just keep that in mind. Super pigmented, go lightly. Secondly, I didn't get any fallout while I was using the eyeshadows, but that's because I was tapping off the excess shadow off my brush before I applied it to my eye. So just keep in mind, it is a powder product. You know, you don't want to have any fallout, so just make sure that you tap off the excess. Other than that, I think the shadows were quite good. I really enjoy Morphe's eyeshadows. I think they're really good, very blendable, very easy to work with. And honestly, for $34, you are getting a really nice balance between, you know, matte shades and shimmery shades. And also there's this light shadow here that I really love because I can use that as a highlight under my brow. And there's a good balance also between the intensity of colors. You know, on this side you have more of a neutral, you can do some everyday looks, and then on this side you have bolder, more evening looks. So I think there's a really good balance between the shadows. I definitely think for 34 bucks, it's pretty good considering how many looks you can create and how good the consistency and formulation of the shadows actually are. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comment section below, or if there's any other products you'd like me to review. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.